Hi here, Tom Schwartz, InfoComm 2025 Transformation Entertainment Group booth. We're here representing a few brands, one of which is Appotronics, the new S Pro projector. Awesome new projector entering into the higher lumen category for both 2K and 4K resolution. We've got a 16,000 lumen and 20,000 lumen on display here, both with short throw lenses, but we've got an extensive lens suite from 0.56 fixed lenses all the way up to standard zoom and long throw zoom lenses available. It comes with the DLP technology. Appotronics uses DLP across all their projectors, as well as their patented ALPD advanced laser phosphor display technology. Appotronics' history is in laser light source design, and they've got a lot of patented technology. This is the 5.0 version, so it's the latest and greatest of their laser phosphor technology. And standard inputs that you would expect on the projector, onboard HDBaseT, things of that nature. For more information, you can find us at www.transcentgroup.com.